Here's 4 of my favorite ways to use juniper or mountain cedar. First is the needles. I'll just pluck these off the tree, let them dry, and then burn them to create an incense that is very fragrant and cleansing. I also use these needles for a tea, and that tea is particularly good for coughs and colds, especially if you add the fruits in there, and various natives use that as a herbal remedy. And I also make kombucha out of it. Third is the fruits. These are technically cones because it's a conifer, but the fruits of various juniper species that are native were commonly eaten by indigenous North Americans historically. It took me a few minutes to gather this many. Didn't really make an impact on the tree because they produce so prolifically. They're fleshy and juicy, and you may have to shop around to find some that aren't astringent or bitter, but you can find trees where they're very delicious and sweet and juicy. And the final one is fire starting. Juniper has this bark that peels off, and if you shred it up, it'll provide an excellent tinder. You can make a little bird's nest and drop a spark in there and it'll light up. And the wood smells amazing to burn as well. So give it a try. I love juniper. This is ash juniper. Eastern red cedar is very close to. That's Juniperus virginiana. This is Juniperus ashy. And as far as I know, all of the native juniper species have edible fruits, but there are some introduced ones used for landscaping that possibly have toxic fruits. But there are many species and they're very commonly eaten by indigenous people throughout North America.